Hello, my name is Pranav, User Experience Specialist here at Wire2Air, and today I'll be going over the Wire2Air dashboard. After logging in, you will see the home page. Here, you can see user guides, learning resources, a brief account summary, and most recent messages received and sent. The top toolbar allows the user to send a quick message to a specific mobile number, open the text messenger to see all one-on-one conversations, open a support portal, provide feedback, as well as log out. Let's start by looking at your campaign settings. Click on Manage Campaigns. Here, the user can see all existing campaigns as well as create new ones. Select Add New Campaign to start making a new one. Because this is a demo account, you can see all campaigns, but you may see fewer options based on the type of account you sign up for. There's a link in the description for an overview of all the campaigns, as well as a link to all tutorial videos. Next, let's look at MMS messaging. Click on Manage MMS, click on Gallery. These are multimedia message templates where you can use for MMS bulk messages, whether it's for holidays or if it's repeated discounts. You can click on Outbox to check MMS messages that you've sent out, as well as Inbox to see MMS messages that you've received. Next, let's look at subscriber settings. Click on Manage Subscribers, and then Manage Subscribers below that. Here, the user can search, add, remove, or edit contacts. You can add contacts by selecting this or import contacts as well. Click on Web Widget. Web Widget allows the user to create an online form where users can subscribe to campaigns from the form itself. The VAS user can decide what to capture from the other user, whether it's mobile number, name, email, etc. You can edit the form, such as the URL, colors, font, title. Click on External Contacts to import contacts from other online databases. Click on Mass Unsubscribe to delete large groups of contacts. Next, let's look at text messaging settings. Click on Broadcast Text Message to create a bulk message. You can use templates, incorporate pictures. You can select whether to send to a specific group or to enter the mobile numbers manually. Lastly, choose whether to send the message now or send later. Or you could stagger the delivery. Click on Reply Settings to edit responses, auto responses. If a user opts out, if the help message, this can all be done here. You can open the text messenger from here as well to see one-on-one conversations. You can create groups here and set up new group. Appointment and reminders allows users to receive reminders whenever there's an upcoming event. Lastly, template messages. If you click on that, you can either create a new template or edit existing ones. Next, let's look at reports. In reports, you can click on Sent Reports. Here you can see these are all the sent messages from this account. You can check specifically received text messages. You can see all bulk messages. Because this is a demo account, there haven't been any recent bulk messages, but all necessary information will be seen here. URL click through allows for Wire2Air to capture which mobile numbers access which click-through link, depending on which one you sent in your bulk message. Lastly, let's look at account settings. Click on Add Dedicated Number to find new numbers, depending on which country, the area code, or which numbers it contains. Click on Manage Users to add new users or edit existing ones in the account. Click on Add New User. You can input the name, number, email address, username and password, as well as edit the sender name and footer, as well as whether they're an admin or user. Finally, you can click on Log Out to exit the dashboard. This has been a brief overview of the Wire2Air dashboard. Thank you for watching.